The receipt of this wonderful piece of recognition marks my 40th year as a practicing engineer involved in manufacturing. In that time, I've experienced firsthand the value that can be created from the development of new products and processes. I've seen billions of pounds worth of value that started as a set of ideas on a whiteboard and become commercial reality. But it's not just been the economic value that's been created, it's also been societal, with products that have improved people's lives, given them freedom of mobility, and have provided many with positive impact of valuable employment with real purpose. It's no surprise that every nation in the world wants a rich seam of advanced manufacturing at its heart. In that 40 years, I've also marvelled at engineers' ability to do things better, faster, and cheaper using less resources. And it was in my personal quest to do things better that I first took guidance from Cranfield. And this was in the 1980s when I was determined to do a better job of running car programs at Land Rover. With Cranfield's help, we turned a small business making about 30,000 cars a year into a modern vehicle manufacturer. Now, doing things better, faster, and cheaper becomes a reflex response for engineers, which, unlike many other reflexes, increasingly does not diminish with age. In fact, it increases with experience. And this is best illustrated by the response from the engineering community here in the UK to the pandemic. This time last year in the UK, as many nations, we were short of critical medical devices, intensive care ventilators, and UK government asked industry for help. Some of our best engineering talent and our biggest manufacturing businesses got together to repurpose themselves to make complex medical equipment. The boundaries were pushed beyond the seemingly impossible, with 11 million parts procured in the first month, 5 factories built in 3 weeks, and 20 years production of devices assembled in just 12 weeks. To be involved in that, indeed to have personally led it and to witness what was possible, was a life-changing experience. It demonstrated the true transformative effect of engineering and manufacturing. Now, the challenges facing the world as we emerge from the pandemic are no less of emergency than the pandemic itself. Take our response to climate change. We will not go backwards. The solutions will all be driven by science and engineering, and this will create demands for unprecedented amounts of innovation. 50% of the technology we need is not yet in the market. So just think what opportunities lie ahead. My 40 years has bestowed me with extraordinary opportunities. The next 40 will totally eclipse that. There are limitless opportunities for graduates equipped with the skills from great universities like Cranfield. And those conferred will have the world at their feet and the solutions to the world's problems in their hands. I can think of no better time to be a scientist, an engineer, or a manager of complex programs. It is with great pride that I received this honorary degree from an institution I hold in such high regard. Thank you.